Good morning, my dear students. Today our topic is working with decimal from page number 92. Working decimal from page number 92. In last class, I already explained up to question number 3. Okay. Now, first of all, before we start the questions from the book, we learn some examples some examples. Okay, according to the questions. What number is exactly halfway between 5.6 and 5.7? If I read it directly, 5.6 and 5.7, maybe you feel difficult. 5.6 and 5.7, because you thought that this is 6 and this 7. After 6, so 7 only, where is the midpoint? So what you do, the simple logic is you can add 0 to the number, because in decimal we can add 0. Like here, suppose 0.5, I can write it here 0.50. Both are same. I already explained in the before classes. Okay, whenever we learn the decimal facts, I already explained. So you can add the 0. So here is the 0 and 0. So what is between 60 and 70? Between 60 and 70 is 65. So you can write directly 5.65. That's it. Here 60, here 70. So what is exactly between 60 and 70? 65. Okay, easy to understand. Now the next one, here use the signs. Okay, here 5.05, here 5.9 only I wrote before. 5.9 only. If you think that like this way 5.9, maybe you thought that 5.05 is the bigger. So what you do here is the left side is the two numbers. So here also by adding 0 we can change into two numbers. Then here look at here 0.5 means only 5. This is 90. Okay, so this is the bigger one. Number B, 2.12, again here only 2.3. okay, if directly you check it, maybe you thought that this is 2.3 only, this is 2.12, means this is the bigger one, but this is the bigger. Why? Because here after decimal two numbers you can change. Here also by adding 0 you can change it in two numbers. Now after decimal is 12 and here is 30, so this is the bigger one. Okay, so every time remember, if it is here after decimal three numbers, here also change into three numbers. Okay, so here 7.89, 7.9. Directly you can check it is 9. It is the bigger one. Okay. Now this is 0.4 and 0.14. This is two numbers. So here also I add 0. This is, we don't have before 0. Okay. I add 0 here. I add 0 here. So this is the bigger one. The next one 3.6 and 3.48. Again, if you not write 0 here, again you can check, thought that maybe 3.48 is the bigger, but I have to add 0. I add 0 with the pencil. Okay, so 3.6 is the bigger one. And the next one is 9.5 and 8.67. 8.67. Here first of all check the whole number. Whole number means without decimal. If you check it without decimal, here this is 9 and this is 8. So 9 is the bigger one as it is. No need to check even if decimal number. So 9 is the bigger one. So it is symbol is greater than. I hope everyone know that these symbols. If which side is the open? Like open your mouth, big, close, and it is small. Okay, which side is the open? That side is the bigger one. Now coming to the questions from your book. Now question number 4. What number is exactly halfway between 6.5, 6.6? 6.5 and 6.6. If you're not adding 0, you feel hard. So when you add 0, this is 50 and 60. What is exactly halfway between 50 and 60? It is 55. So 6.55 is the answer. Okay, 6.55 is the answer. Now look at your question number 6, because question number 5 is the homework for you. Question number 5 is the homework for you. Now look at the question number 6. Okay, rearrange these numbers in order of size, starting with the smallest. First of all, I wrote here 5.05. 5.5 is given. So look at it, maximum most of the numbers after decimal, here two numbers, here also two numbers, here also two numbers, here also two numbers, but here only one number. So what I did here, I add 0 only. Then it is easy to understand. 5.05, 5.15, 5.5 means what? It is 5.50. 5.51, 5.55. Okay, so by adding the 0 you can easily understand. Like here 3.13, 3.03, 3.33, 3.31, 3.01. So which is the smallest? 3.01 is the smallest, then 3.03, 3.13, 3.31, 3.33. Okay, after decimal you cannot pronounce 33 because it is less than 1. Every time pronounce after decimal single digit. Okay, now this one 3.13, here 31.3 only. So I add 0 because after decimal most of the numbers are two numbers. So 31.3, 3.11, 13.10. I change it here 31.1. Whichever the pencil, that means I added 0. Okay, so which is the smallest one? The smallest one is 3.11. Next is 3.13, then 13.1, then 31.1, then 31.3. So your homework is page number 93, question number 5. Page number 93, question number 5 is the homework for you. I hope you understand the today's classwork. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the next class. Thank you.